Enti a Christopher ya what tax. Asofo no to preach here, yentumi nko bisa question.
Yeah.
Is a Sunday school teachings, you know. And they say emu pain.
That's right.
Now Emma ye man who say we are a certain religion bia and no na guide here.
Sure.
So, enti na me pese me bi say share so why sofo are we educating people with a imparted wisdom to people to be a ministers, reverend ministers, apostles and etc. etc. Who was said here and say
what's that? Master, you quote Deuteronomy chapter 6. Bible can be or can be verse 1, Deuteronomy 6:1. Or say, these are commands, decrees, and regulations that the Lord your God commanded me to teach you. You must obey them in the land you are about to enter and occupy. Yebabesi verse 6:9. Or say, and you must commit yourselves wholeheartedly to these commands that I am giving you. Repeat them again and again to your children. Talk about them when you are at home and when you are on the road, when you are going to bed and when you are getting up.
But me that say we need idea. You see, you better say a Christian's manual.
That's right.
A Christian for your manual, no. But we cannot impart the manual to them because of a TV series, adults, things which is it's not help on the social media. Papa nankasa na mama nankasa no is on the social media. Is watching TV series Lagata and 1 and 2. You see Amaya 1 and 3. You see Odobi love we in-law etc. kind of series. Inti na ama wonyini se sade so ase a mute Christianity wisdom no.
A mute because I won't say inti na medical can say a problem with leadership. Osofo I was so to me protect your ma. Na uye selective of what they watch. Akwara go school. Wakoto iPhone 6 odi amano. Phone e kura koda no. Wo parent no you don't have any control over the phone.
It does anything.
Me kasa about 8 9 no. Wapon sorry waba 10 wada. About 12 no. Oba no da so gina phone so.
Yeah.
Oh sorry because say there na what is no.
They know everything about phone.
Enti obehwe no not on the nam so sa na nyema nti se osua nyina no osu.
And I make say a Christopher nankasa no. And then you feel say your computer word.
Yeah.
1 2 no obebile mu aban. Me asemi amiti say oya abemu na oya ho basabasa. Oya rascal. I will not allow you to come to my territory. Because me per decency people. People who respect. And that kaneno obi a no so nyama ye gi kogya no. And then so yin kogya no. And am amefo no fele say ono ene ba. Into whatever rights he has given to them, they are okay. So what I say, I could afford the also free, but obuone ni the share of fee. And I saw for no so no, and now so far, but I can boldly say to you that you didn't back what people doesn't know and they make tell me. Prosperity pastors.
That's right.
We are the prosperity pastors. We don't preach the word. So we don't preach the word. We preach about prosperity. You per se yenya link on them. You per se shentaripa. But how to feed them with the word to grow them. And a Christopher man so no one thing say yam form masori. Say kosua Sunday school. Kwa hamrachi kosua. Na mo ma me beja no hakọ agbogbosi okodidwa kantamanto okoton ade. Nti akwara ni need the seal of Christ wonimu. It's rather having a different thing altogether. Yes, we are quite software. Ya sudie part saying, how will it then a bit my package and mamma what you say? No one just has TV series nature. What me say something obi or a friend of Christ, obi a friend Yanko Pong, obi a friend who conquer the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Na no na a time more, I bet transform the whole image. Mawati say because me by being a worker say oh my back man in me fear me remu but the car pack inside. Nothing goes in, nothing comes in. Until the fuel we want to so so for you too straight. What I say, but I'm not too straight. Me umi makwa ma umpia bontene. So what I say. Na and then a so for you. You know so for it almost because at the channel saying we ordain men of God. And upcoming as of for ba e bin so bon kokra and kokra for they don't pay way to others to come. They are still blocking. Na kwan so de wo gina mu a wan ko bi so tumi ma. Enti ya asofo ya asofo mpanifo hwe no. Ate na esi etumi ye. We need to have a certain books. And everything updating Quran because I know some parents they cannot read, they cannot write. One said the other said, "Ukwa sorry, utimi keep one quotation." Now ma ba ne kan ma. Now such as books. Why software? And then I would that is a big contribution.
Exactly.
And then they why software?
One say Apostle Meda say and at the end in Nanja Mika say boil down to leadership. One say Yodeni, we don't follow up to see whether Yama or Yeno, Omo Aduanepa and Omo Maduanepa. Obit me or the new Binu Jan operation feed yourself, or the Oka Yuma Fatite Bremy. And so on follow up. One say Crambo for as a mark and name the power. Osha, Omo de Macarantano. Omo de Shas here from beginning.
What done for an area?
Como sa?
You two mammy for you,
Macarantano is him.
A boy, we are one. Oh, Quack, sorry.
I live and I then Yamokasa. Now, so no Deuteronomy say. Yes, so yen sianesa, yen chichiri and some cramo boy and sa,
yen be banging,
not Yakumam near Diamond. It's we are the Yaku Prichiba, Asana Tiada, Asa. And once I meet train calls, I will be friendly Frabuchi in Namimana country. Yeah, Aquadano, or sorry, no. Me shall say, if me Bible cry, me, you're quite sorry by your crano. Okay, me, I suffer no crano. We are so far, dear Chini. That Ben a suffer. Ufi, I sorry by ya, what for Basse. Ya abena kwaju tenase preach ya mi preach ye no enne me person bo sa kire me ne mi preach ye den na musunya from wa from ba kura bi sanada
oh le be aso because that talent sense fufu
this is the issue
me sense fufu ma wo die how can you with a quotation
enti your problem
I saw them
your problem say
I saw them okra we so we kura we preach we kura ni enya wona ho because there was certain things bi o ha oh and now upcoming so far ben nyina no prophesy pastors, prosperity pastors. Both are fun. Not the attack as hello. Me who say na me komenim na me hweye. Na me who say sunsun no wiase no. Maame na wo tie kunwa bi so. Na kunwa me who say ofie no abosom ne nyama bi eden e wo ho. And actually at times it make fun because we are the blacks. And then no more the building e ya abosom sem. So onipa bi a wasase so with the 100% no obi afie bush me den a new papa fie o ma me fie that's what you grow up and is who can we are who you should the carnal mind and how they subdue say the man professional but rather to teach them how to fish because Christ showed them how to fish but yenso so ye de yan say yaba prophecy sikaba ye tontade ye toshu akese I said oh yeah as a reverend minister, we imparted to people to be king, the servants of God. We train us of way. Would you all experience? Say, obi pesa oba winsam na oba obey good fruit. What is the measures? And then I would many panel, and then I would say the panel because they say in every home, you're lucky, baby. If you are a Christian, also on my Bible, not reputation, baby, or maybe any phone, so because it values the phone than the Bible, and the Islamic phone also they value their Quran than the phone. And then you say, what do Mamma question when that? Because if you be a short to Christ, if you be a short to Christ, including a soft for an FE, a bin as for maybe no bokeke, a bin no mandingo, atabi ginger, womb. Ebi nom say oh Guinness there Debbie Guinness Guinness beer star and so you hear bibia ebema fie no 24 hours they will be at the presence of God.
I say ade ni nyina ne say first ansana e beti maye bibia ma di mu no na ye de importance at all. So you place value on the thing. You place value on the word of God. Now, we like the fruit that comes out of the word of God.
Now, generation, we are the prosperity pastors.
What say you place value on the word of God now. And kasa we nyina na mba ka bibia be de nyame asem di ka hwese first no kura no ye go school no weekend do na say dance bakruma those days your friend Pore Pore bakruma class prefect no ye manu ko gina gate ano
no
monitor we school ni na wura mu a ye kyerɛ wudi Monday ye be ball to ma or parade one ko asori Sunday a asori bi akọ no obe kyerɛ school no nti Sunday ye be suma obi ama no the list about say be hwɛ sɛ wo ba asori a nti Monday ye parade say ya na ya frɛ Roman fo nyina ya bo mo amukọ nyina wodin wo ho
me kas me ko bi na me chiche me frɛ me sofa tete na otwe aba na me se me sofa if you dey na me ma me net o me ko chia no
that's right
o suma me say me ko taduane ma che say o hwa a man is strong
that's right
but na ye say e frɛ bi Montezoro ye maba
Montezoro ye
maba na ye say it makes all the children became corrupt
that's it
including our parents they became corrupt but so let me say yes someone is totally you need to run out
that's right
now how to attend TV university and you say that we can we will find a time to come and continue I think say we need to see a solution to this problem
that's it
because evangelism out of form one of this final word na emfa no this
yo na me de be ka ho ane say se yanhwe biribi ya ye hu biribi ye na se yanhwe ya daachi asori dan besi ho na nkwada no omo twa ho no mo ko babi omeko nti se si and ye be ne se ekwan ya ye betimi amma nyame so motima akoso akonkan ne se ye be place value on the word of God but biara ye de be ye adwuma obe monitor nkwada no ahwe se den no mo kenkan den no mo hwe den no mo tie obi wo na ye piece na so wo papa no gina hwesa enyom be na kwada no echi
ona ka kwa nkra ye function na so
monitoring na beti mabo
you choose no me that
sa anya sa dia
so me person do no mat betu dua because no be here person be Bible school then we do that
yo so my number there 0242 534925 0242 534925 and I say 0244 539969 0244 539969 offer me a osabe coming
there is say buy attention TV na attention TV so dey na important so be say the wisdom in ministry the importance of the ministry me pese oba pia video so dey amobi ebia o ma no ni makenkan na so we say train the child because who share school fees the bills are heavy than your expenses the expenditure we have expenditure expenses your expenses is bigger than your income into team sa na ama income akoso nyina ya kwala no nti manyame sunsun ntena ne ye ene maame fo aba ye mpe Bible to ye de ane se ye ka awuro ko bi enwo ya mpesie de ye nim papa ofi aya gari ma je me nkwan mo ka ne sere mo ni bi wa ye sere mo ene ye mo de boaye ne mu mepese before Sunday no what mama ban kwama one quotation before you are moving to church na there 2 3 onyame shira so hwe se Kristo amma no de yankwa che ha ye beto program we so na obe ye shira wo na waye wa onyame ni onyame ai aba wo so na me kan se high attention TV hwe school na se there's a number if you want to call if you apesa obo wade hu dawudu opesa we sofo opesa kasa oba ye nyama beto akona e the kind of product what about out ya ma kwan omo ode won sell enso ababonti onyame shira na yo kese se what program we na dia komane ni tie e dia mobi but as akra